Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ONTX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the downwards move continues here, and I'll offer up a bit more context. The overall chart is still within this overall uptrend. Whoops, didn't need to go back that far. The overall chart is still, trending upwards, but, it's definitely looking very, very shaky. You have, from the overarching standpoint, very clearly a whole bunch of selling pressure that has shown up. You can see that a couple ways via the trend line that I just drew right there, or if you like moving averages better, just looking at that purple line there, which on my chart denotes the 50-period moving average. You can see that line's got a very clear downwards angle to it. So like I said, any way you look at it, selling pressure has, showed up. That's not some sort of like great discovery on my part. That's not some sort of bold claim. It's quite transparent when you look at, just how the price continues to drift lower and lower with these lower highs. So that's definitely the overarching kind of theme right now, is that there's selling pressure, and that brings about the question, okay, well, how can we know when the selling pressure is maybe gone, or is it at least when it's starting to be alleviated a little bit? And that's where I think just watching that purple line comes into play, meaning that, in my opinion, there really shouldn't be any talk about bullishness or anything like that until the price can get back above that purple line, because that would at least illustrate a sign of strength. Now, that doesn't mean that if the price gets above that purple line, it's for sure going, back up to $2, but at least it makes it a little bit more rational of a conversation to have of, okay, yeah, looking like the bulls are starting to show up again, maybe some power is going to, rise back up. So watch that. And then as far as just this overarching level of support is concerned, the level to watch very closely going to be right down here around the $1.10 mark, which if you go through the history of things, you can see $1.10 has quite the track record of acting as support. Good news is right now it's not like it's being threatened or anything like that, and it's not like it's on the brink of potentially being destroyed, but just one of those overall areas to keep an eye on. But as right now, yeah, the selling pressure is still in full effect. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.